Hi, this is Tall Bob and welcome to the channel. I'm going to give you a quick overview of the application process for traveling to the UK and getting the Electronic Travel Authorization. The process is remarkably simple, but it is important that you follow the steps properly. I'm going to be speaking from the perspective of an American citizen. However, this rule does apply to tons and tons of other countries around the world, but I'm only going to speak from a US citizen perspective since that's what I know. Um, Basically, it's a form of kind of like a mini visa, but not really. It's for non-visa related type of travel. So for example, if you're going to be visiting the UK for some business, you're just going in for a meeting or two, or you're visiting family or you're visiting friends, in my case, um, that's kind of what it's for. It is valid for 2 years once you get it done. And it's a simple process. The penalties for not having it are you can be denied entry into the country. It's really as simple as that. Um, so it only takes a few minutes to actually do the application, and we're going to walk through the steps of doing that. I'm going to talk about the steps of doing that momentarily. So before you go and do your application, what are you going to need? First, obviously, is a valid passport. The second is you're going to need a valid email address. And then the last thing is you're going to need a smartphone because you're going to have to do some video verification and things like that. So the first step in the process is you're going to download the app from the UK Central Office website. I'll include the link in the little description down below. And then what you're going to do is you basically open up the app. You're going to have to input an email address because they're going to be using that for two-factor authentication. From there, you're then going to take a picture of your passport, the inside of the passport, where your picture and all that stuff is. You're then going to have to take a kind of a verification photo. You're basically going to have to hold the phone up close to your face. Make sure you take your glasses off because you don't have glasses in your passport photo. Take your glasses off, scan your face. It verifies that you are who you say you are. And then next thing you have to do is take a selfie, again, without glasses if you wear glasses, because you need it to match what your passport looks like. You need to do it on a light background. That's really, really important. From there, you then fill out your address and things like that, just some kind of personal information. And then from there, you go to payment. In the United States, it costs $13.05 to get this thing done. Once you get done paying for it, you hit submit. The next thing that happens is, they say on the website that it could take 3 to 5 business days for you to get an approval. When I did mine, I got my approval within about 5 minutes. So it's a really, really seamless process. The neat thing is you don't need to have actually a card or anything of that nature. You don't need to print out your email or anything. It's automatically housed within the UK government. So that when you go through border control and things like that, it's already there. So it makes life really, really easy, but you do need to do it. And if you're going to be traveling to the UK after January 8th, as a US citizen, you're going to need to do this. I hope you found this video informative, and yeah, I hope you have a good trip, just like I hope I'm going to have a good trip. You have a great day. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe. Hope it's helpful. Bye now.